here we have a lot of air conditioners at a church, a couple gas packs, a mini split unit, ductless here really, I mean, and this old train. Right here's a Linux gas pack. It's running. The model number for the Linux is the GCS16-653-125-5Y, and I don't see a serial number. Right here's an old train. You can see the train logo back here. It's still hooked up to power. The model number is BTA 090C300MA. It is made in October of 1986. So this is a 1986 train. From the year that train, this is probably one of the first units produced after train bought GE. Over here we have a carrier gas pack. And not just so sure about this flue right here. But where are the carrier weathermaker gas pack? I'm gonna see if I can find the data panel. Well, I can't really find the data panel. So I'll look one more time over here. And I still don't see the data panel, so I'm gonna move on to the ductless unit. Is made by Gree. Never heard of that company before. But it's a heat pump. The model number is GWH30LV-D3DNA3E /O. Don't see a serial number. And it was made in 2012. This is a 2012 Gree mini split unit. So, yeah, an old Linux gas pack, a 1986 train, most likely straight cool unit, a rather recent carrier, and a 2012 mini split heat pump, a 2012 Gree mini split heat pump. Over and out.